Well, a very good morning to you all, 10th standard group, Jesus English High School. Two things very important in life. Education, number one, and number two, food and shelter. I hope so during this Navaratri festival going on, Dashera is coming shortly, then Deepavali, then Bhai Dooj, then so many other. This is a total festival oriented month started now. So you have to help dear students, 10th standard, listen carefully, your father and mother financially. Don't waste money too much. Emergency, you have to save the money. Think about your proper education, proper food, proper shelter. These three things are very important in life. With this, let us start today's lesson. Unit 2, Prose. My very dear dedicated students, this is English High School, 10th standard, and I am your, obviously, Shashwati Chaudhary, English faculty in front of you. Today's lesson, this girl by the tracks. Whenever you are reading, why in this way, in this tune? Unit 2, Prose. I have written on the board, 28th October 2020. This girl by the tracks by Devan Kannan. You read in such a way, your viewers, they will be attracted to your voice and your warm welcome and introduction part. That is called proper reading English. Within inverted comma start and inverted comma close. So what I taught you earlier in the previous lesson through online teaching, I taught you, dear students, 10th standard, you will read in this way. Coach and coach. This girl by the tracks. Oh my God, this girl by the tracks, railway tracks, within a fraction of a second. So many things will happen. Pray to God, nothing should happen with anyone else in this world. So Devan Kannan, before going to start the lesson, one more important thing, page 40. Students, once more, collect your books, notebooks from the school premise. Other than wasting your money and energy and everything in the festival, throughout your life you will get the parties, candlelight dinner, opportunity, and your all these festivals. Lovely festivals in India. You can even do all state-wise festivals. You can enjoy throughout your life. So now it's very important. Tell your mother and father also to come and meet the principal and to take help from management and to help management. Both things are very important. So please carry out with this thought. It's important in education. Now in Desigar by the tracks, page 40, open 40, page number. Here, why I am telling you, open page 40, because before going to read about the Mumbai suburban areas, the railways, their activities and all, in which way people are struggling, daily passengers and all during office time. Before that you should know, page 40 you see in your textbook, very nicely draft. Do you know why Bombay was renamed Mumbai? In the Marathi language, Bombay has been referred to as Mumbai for more than 200 years. But it has not always been so. Earlier it was not like that. It was Bombay. But it has not always been so. Mumbai has an ancient temple dedicated to Mumba Devi. The real name of this deity was Maha Amba Devi or Maha Amba Ai. Ai means, that is the Marathi word, Ai, mother. The word like yours in Karnataka state, Amma, mother. Similarly, Ai, Maharashtrian word, Marathi word, Ai means mother. The word Maha Amba Ai, God got corrupted to become Maha-Ambai, then to Mumbai, and finally to Mumbai. According to Murray's handbook, the name is possibly derived from Mumbai. The word used by the local call is for the goddess. The Portuguese think the word Bombay, because before East India Company, Portuguese came for trade in India. So Portuguese think about it as Bombay. It's derived from the Portuguese words Bam, Bahia or Fair Bay. Okay, that is indicated too. Fair Bay, B-A-Y. That is the seashores and all, bay. So, regarding this, Bombay, Portuguese given that name. Now that name changed by name of Mata Ambe, that is Mother Ambe. You should know all these things. Page 40. It's already very nicely designed by your SSLC board. You should know all these things. That is your 10th textbook. So textbook is very important. Open your textbook. Obviously get ready with your notebook indeed. And dear students, take the standard. Whenever you are reading anything, a pencil should be in your hand. That one I taught you, and follow it. Follow me. After this, you see, know about the author. Devendra Kannal is a writer in English. He writes short stories in English for journals and for magazines. Now let's start the story. This guy by the tracks, Devendra Kannal. Nobody dared to go. Page 24. Start the lesson. Page 24. And page 24 down, you will get the glossary word meanings related to page 24. Similarly, page 25 down, you will get the glossary word meanings related to page 25. It's a design course. So, follow English, learn English from me for your phonetic communication purpose and write perfect English in your upcoming board exam in 21. 10th standard. Para 1. Nobody dared to go where the youngster did. As the Mumbai Suburban Electric Train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station. Station timing, halting time. Commuters swarmed out. Full electronic system. Commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis, Calcutta. Mumbai, same way electric trains are running. So, having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreja, the very important character in this story, Roma Talreja, to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find out some space to stand safely inside the train compartment, but did not get the time when suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold and panicked. Story start with that. She totally, accidentally, suddenly fell down because owing to overcrowded, just put the step, train started, electric train. Full time schedule. That time it will stop to the platform. It will stop. It will leave the platform. Suburban. Down you see page 24. Suburban means of a place outside a city. Commuter, one who travels to workplace daily. Swarm means rush. Hurtle, move fast. Tenuous, weak or shaky. Panic, suddenly feel frightened, fearful. Clattering, making a loud sound. Muffled, silence. Third, low sound. Gasp, a deep breath taken. I'm surprised. Imagine, come from. Impulsively, without any thinking. Frantically, with no hope. Very worried. Today's page 24. Please keep on reading. Again, I will explain word by word, sentence by sentence. That's all today. Thank you very much. God bless you.